Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have my first class ready for you to register for from the new catalog. I am using the ephemera packs from the catalog. This class was so fun, quick, easy to do. You will make 10 note cards in this class. I don't normally use the ephemera packs, but I don't know, for some reason I was inspired to use them. So in this class, you're going to get a half a pack of Under the Sun ephemera pack and then Sincerely Noted ephemera pack. So in this class, there is no stamping. And these are so quick and easy to use. You're going to get a half a pack of the Everyday Essentials Designer Series paper that goes perfectly, and a package of the Sunset Sparkle Sequence. Got to remember that, Sunset Sparkle Sequence. You're going to get a pack of note cards and envelopes, which has 20. And I'm going to show you how to make 10 cards, quick and easy. And let me show you them. Look at how pretty. They're so cute, so adorable. Quick, easy. You can keep these in your desk at work or just on hand for any occasion that you need. Look at how the Designer Series paper matched perfectly with the ephemera packs. So you'll have plenty left over. Like I said, you're gonna have 10 note cards and envelopes left over to make 10 more, and then you're gonna have some of your ephemera pack pieces. I used from both, and I had a lot left over. These were my leftover pieces, so you can see in there, there's some pieces from each pack. So this class is going to be $58. It's to go because you're going to get a lot of Stampin' Up! Product, and it includes shipping. And I already mentioned everything that you're going to get. So you'll get the package of note cards. Let me look at my list. So you'll get the package of note cards and envelopes, which has 20 of each. A half a pack of Under the Sun ephemera pack. A half a package of Sincerely Noted ephemera pack. A half a package of the Everyday Essentials Designer Series paper. A package of the Sunset Sparkle Sequence. A PDF tutorial showing you how to put them all together. So I already have my tutorial ready for you. That will ship when your kit ships. And it includes a priority shipping. The deadline for this class is May 16th, and I should have them all packaged and ready to go within a week after that. I usually expedite my orders, and they'll be out to you. You'll get a tracking number for your priority shipping package, and you'll get a tracking. You'll get an email with the tracking, and I'll also send you the tutorial. My mind went blank for a second there because I use Pirate Ship, and when I put your email in, they'll send you the email with the tracking of your package. All right, so if you have any questions, I will have the registration link below. But if you have any questions, you can always email me at lcdesigns1, the number 1, at comcast.net. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I hope you get this class because it was a lot of fun. And like I said, you'll have 10 cards on hand, and then you can make 10 more. All right, everybody, have a great day.